Okay, next up we have Lyndsay Watkins. Lyndsay, are you ready?
I am. Right. Thanks. This research is a deep dive into the infrastructure of how we can implement small-scale, high-impact change within our cities. Regenerative urbanism is about generating solutions to issues in the social and environmental realm through an integration with existing infrastructure and regenerative action within systems. And I choose the word regenerative in place of sustainable because regeneration builds back better and improves the systems, while sustainability aims to singularly maintain. The ultimate goal is to gradually mesh a more effective, regenerative, and resilient infrastructure in Boise. For example, at the iconic Grove Hotel, the optimization of facades addresses poor air quality with an air purification chamber that runs vertically up the building, the need for intentional public spaces with community rooftop gardens, and to combat food insecurity with a geothermally heated food productive wall that has pedestrian access from the street. Jumping over to Grove Street there on the bottom left, this intervention generates a community sphere as an extension of the Grove Plaza by daylighting the buried Boise City Canal and developing a pedestrian experience and performance landscape. This intervention implements community food boxes, stormwater capture and filtration, and designated pedestrian and bike lanes along the daylit canal. On the top right, you can see that the Boise City Canal is again daylit at C.W. Moore Park to restore the historical water wheel that used to function to provide free Wi-Fi as a resource to community members within the park. A performance landscape is developed to accommodate stormwater runoff and to assist with a micro-community garden to address local food insecurity. On the bottom right, the Boise Public Library serves as an optimum point of intervention within the urban core because of its local significance, close proximity to the Boise River, and its community impact within the public realm. Therefore, it becomes a systemic moment for eco-education to learn about food systems hands-on for community members, as well as filter stormwater returning to the Boise River and reuse gray water in the educational greenhouse spaces. This design utilizes the strategy of urban acupuncture to impact a larger context with a method of hyper-localized template solutions that can be scaled and implemented at other locations. By pinpointing critical moments in the urban fabric that have local and infrastructural correlation, solutions are generated and tested that can then be scaled and have the opportunity to grow outward over time. This is about building Boise up better, optimizing our buildings and infrastructure, whether the focus is on food production for community members on a building facade, the water systems that will re-enter our rivers, or purifying air during summer wildfire season. This design creates a pathway towards a more resilient urban strategy as it relates to our natural systems and resources, as well as aims for a continued interconnectivity as Boise grows. Thank you.
Thank you, very interesting. So why did you pick Boise? Are you a Boise-based student?
I am a Boise-based student and I grew up here as well. So.
And how is this going to impact architecture in the future?
Yes, so I see it really as a strategy. I work here at the U of I Integrated Design Lab in Boise, and we do a lot of sustainability and energy efficiency work in buildings, but I'd really like to take that next step within architecture in my career to really focus on the infrastructure of the city at an urban scale. So.
Very good, very interesting, thank you.
Thank you.